guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this cute panda. I'm starting by drawing an oval shape for the head. In this oval shape I'm drawing two big circles, and in each circle I'm drawing one big circle and one little circle for the highlights. I'm drawing on eyelashes. And around each eye I'm drawing bigger circles. I've added little nose and eyebrows. I've got two little semicircles off each side for the ears with smaller circles inside. Drawn two oval shapes beneath the head, these are the feet, and in each foot I'm drawing a smaller oval shape inside. I'm then adding two arms and the body. I've added a little smile, and my panda is going to be holding a bamboo stick, so I'm drawing that in now. Using a black fine liner, I'm starting by outlining the eyes. So I'm going over all the pencil lines that we drew, and then I'm going to use a black sharpie to colour in the eye, but I'm leaving the two circles that we drew in white. Pause this video now and go ahead and black line over all the lines that we drew. And then using a rubber, rub out any of the pencil lines that are still left underneath. Body in a light purple. I'm then using a light baby pink to colour in the circles around the eyes and then all the other details. Using a green colour to colour in the bamboo and the grass. I'm using a dark purple to shade on the left side of all the areas that we coloured in purple. And I'm using a light purple to shade all the areas that we coloured in pink. adding shading using a dark green on the grass and the bamboo. And then using a white pen, I'm adding highlights to the right side of the face, the body, and adding just little lines wherever I feel like it. And there's the finished panda. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.